Hi guys, your girl Yammy's here, and I'm at the Contemporary, and I'm going to do a room tour, and your girl is staying there tonight. We are here on a Disney workshop for Earmark Silver Company, so we were invited to come out, and they put us in the Contemporary, so let's go check this room out. Alright, so this is the room. I believe it sleeps 5 or 6 people. But we'll go right here to the bathroom. We'll save the view for last. This is a soaker tub. Oh my gosh. And I dropped bubbles. Oh. Yeah, your girl's gonna be taking a bath in there tonight. Oh, sorry. I got a little carried away. But they do have a makeup mirror, one of the little ones. And then look at the mirror though. And the light behind the mirror. And we have the H2O. Well, it's just called Disney Resort now. They've got extra towels down below with the garbage can. In the bathroom, it has its own little room. Or the toilet. You can do your business in private. That's pretty cool. All right, we come out here, we have a lot of storage. The hair dryers here. Oh, they got a handheld steamer. You know you're in a deluxe when they have a steamer in your room. Okay? And then we have some drawers down here. I like the suits hanging up in there. And then we have another closet here. This one has the safe in it and a couple more drawers. So they do have a Keurig in here, and in this drawer we have the cups and some creamers, sugar. And we got, oh, there's green tea in here. It's Joffrey's. Which, okay. Oh, that's decaf. Well, we got 2. I'll get more later. And then down here is our refrigerator where we will be putting our cookies from Gideon's in. For a little while anyways. This room just happens to be an adjoining room, but we don't know the people on the other side, so we won't worry about them. Oh my goodness. It lights up around the TV. And look at the TV. I'm sharing the room with Ann Davis and Dudley. Look at that. But look at the couch. It also folds down to a sleeper. The table here moves. But look at the couch. This is huge. And we get one of those little Mickey things too, which we'll have to play with and see if we can figure that out. But look at this light. This lamp. I don't even know where you would turn it on. Oh, right here. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Oh, we got plugs here. But look at the couch. This is huge. And now we have the beds. And we have a table on this side with some chargers. Here we have some chargers. And little light switches. We have a phone. Oh, and we got cookies in here. And there's enough room underneath the bed to put your luggage. And look at this. They put a Mickey here. Isn't that cute? But yeah, this room is just something else. And I like these little lamp light things here. But they give you a lot of pillows. Now let's go for the view. No, we did not get a view of the castle, but that's okay. Oh, I got locked in. All right, now that I figured out how to open the door again, we just had that problem and it took me a minute. And this is our view. So tonight, the water pageant, when it goes by, we'll be able to see it, but I don't think we'll be here to see it. We're going to a dessert party at Epcot tonight. There's the pools, splash pad. Look at the Mickeys in the ground. Isn't this beautiful? The patio is a nice size. You got 2 chairs and a table out here, and there's a good distance between them. If I go all the way over here to the wall, look at all this room. Alright, we pull the bed down and this is what it looks like. This comes off, and then you unhook this and there's your mattress. And it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy at first, but then you just kind of push it and it just goes on its own. So, very nice. Yes, we are loving the room. Alright, that's the tour of the room. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to enjoy staying here.
Heck yeah.
We're excited. So, alright guys, as always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.